All button positions are raised with pips over the brake. To fit the new back, first remove the screws from the back of the handset using a small Phillips or cross-headed screwdriver. If you don't have a suitable screwdriver, you can purchase one from Stewart Golf. The new offset clip means you can still easily fit the handset to your trolley. When fitting the new back, ensure the battery wires are inside the casing and are not pinched between the mouldings. You do not have to reseal the handset when using the skin. Now refit the screws, being careful not to over-tighten them. Now you can fit the skin as shown. The easiest way is to insert the round end of the handset first and then pull the rest of the skin over. You may have to manipulate the skin until the buttons are aligned properly. The new silicone skin has been designed to provide additional protection from accidental bumps and also provide increased protection from extremes of weather.